On this video, I'm going to show you how to make French toast sticks that taste just like the ones you get from Burger King. They'll be crispy on the outside with a hint of vanilla on the inside. And the best part is you don't need a deep fryer to make them. For this recipe, ciabatta bread works best. I'll start by slicing it into 1-inch thick pieces, then cut the slices into 4 sections. Now I will place them on a wire rack to air dry. 2 hours works best if you have the time, and this step really helps with the texture of the finished product. Now let's make the coating. I'll combine 2 eggs with half a cup of half and half, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 1/2 cup of Mrs. Butterworth's syrup. The syrup will caramelize, giving these French toast sticks a deep fried flavor and texture just like you get from Burger King without using a deep fryer. Now preheat a non-stick frying pan to approximately 320 degrees Fahrenheit. No butter or oil needed. Dip each breadstick into the coating, ensuring all 4 sides are well covered, and place them in the pan. Since we cut the breadsticks an inch thick, you can cook them on 3 sides for roughly 2 minutes, but keep an eye on them to prevent them from burning. Now, if you try this at home, please come back and let everyone know how they turned out in the comment section. Thanks for watching.